Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from Astos College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about firewall types. The firewall is the technique which is used to send an information to the user without any encrypted data or false statement to the receiver. Now we have discussed about how the types has been enabled by using this firewall. So firewall techniques generally based on packet filter, application gateway, circuit level gateway, and version host. So packet filters. So normally the receiver does not receive the information as a schedule one. At the time the packet will be lost because of bad packet or any congestion or reject the information by the information giving the users. So that the packet filters are used to change the concern rejected filters or rejected packets. We can use this model for enabling the authentication process. Next one is packet filtering is highly effective and transparent to the users, but is very difficult to configure because we have to identify which kind of packet has been lost so that the particular loss has been analyzed from the source. So it will take some time, so that it is one of the difficult process because we need to check all the time IP address for better generation. It is susceptible to IP spoofing. And next one is application gateway. In such a way, a firewall remote host or network can interact only with the proxy servers. A proxy server is responsible for hiding the details of the internet network. The proxy server, because some of the websites are hacked by using this proxy server, because the proxy server is the medium for the user. They are accessing their own data by changing an IP address. So here the IP address has been changed by typing some other countries like outside of India, China or US, like that. Any countries they can select, and then they can access the IP address with the help of this proxy server, so that it shows that the person who is handling all the data from outside of India. So such a proxy server has been identified by using this application gateway, so that it cannot able to transfer any information to the particular unauthorized access. Next one is it uses TCP IP applications such as FTP and Telnet servers. Telnet is telephone network servers. The user sometimes the suppose if the user is not allowed proxy server means it just indicate to the user you may have some authentication block. So like that it just indicate to the users. If the user is not using the settings means, then automatically the proxy server has been happened. Application gateway. Telnet is the source telephone networks, because all the networks are connected through this wire or wireless network, so that we can able to check which kind of connections are happen while accessing the proxy servers. Circuit level firewall, because already I have told that there may be a wired or wireless connection. So initially if it is in wire connection, we need to check the TCP IP model, because the TCP transmission control protocol is used for sending the data as wired or wireless medium, because all the data are forwarded from IP address to the next source with the help of gateway processing. The gateway is nothing but firewall. Based on the firewall only we can able to send or any information to the acknowledgement process. The gateway can be configured to support application level or proxy service. Whenever we can able to transmit any information from the user, the gateway is the tool which is stop the unwanted authorized access of the data. So the circuit level gateway is used to check whether the data has passed to the receiver side as a circuit one. If it is not, then automatically it just stop the concern source medium. After that, it just reject or send it again for better performance. So Bastion host, the Bastion host is used for some time if you are connecting more number of data at the same time means, or if you want to be able to access more number of system at the same time means, we can use this Bastion host. We just communicate the information through this router. The router is the medium which is used to connect all the data or all the systems as a single one, so that we can able to forwarding information at the same time. So when a personal firewall can do, so suppose if you are accessing your own system means, then you can have some pop-up ads. Sometimes the cookies are not generated while you are giving as a pop-up one in the settings, or else the cookies may generate the pop-up through by your network, and then it can able to catch all the information by your system. So personal firewall cannot do the prevention of email viruses. After seeing the initially, I can't forget about it because sometimes the users may not log it out their own mail, so that the firewall cannot redo it or cannot access any kind of email access or any kind of support to the email viruses. Assessment. So what are the common features of next generation firewall? So the deep packet inspections are used to eliminate the unwanted access, and application awareness identify the control of the applications. Instruction prevention system directly prevents cyber attacks. Advanced threat protection identify the malware of the concerned threats. SSL and TLS inspection decrypt the model of the concerned traffic data. Thank you.